Welcome to the top best. The Best Witch Nails Press-On is probably one of the most sought-after nail enhancements available today, offering a convenient and stylish alternative to traditional salon manicures. These pre-designed artificial nails are crafted to mimic the look and feel of professionally applied gel or acrylics, providing an instant transformation for your fingertips. Whether you're looking for a dramatic, eye-catching design or a subtle, everyday elegance, press-on nails offer a versatile solution that can elevate your entire look with minimal effort and time commitment, making them a favorite for beauty enthusiasts seeking quick yet impactful results. Number 5. CoolNail Halloween Black Stiletto Gel Nail Tips Kit. Get ready for a spooktacular Halloween with our new gel nail tips. Achieve a salon-quality look right at home. These long, pointed stiletto tips come in a striking black color. They are perfect for creating a bold and dramatic statement. Our kit includes everything you need for a secure and easy application with glue stickers. Enjoy beautiful, durable nails that last. These full-cover tips provide a flawless finish, hiding any imperfections. They offer the look and feel of professional acrylic nails. Why go to the salon when you can have professional results yourself? Elevate your nail game with this convenient and stylish kit. Make your Halloween costume complete with these eye-catching nails. They are the ultimate accessory for any festive occasion. What we like? If you're looking for a dramatic and spooky look, these black stiletto nails are perfect. They offer a bold statement for Halloween or any edgy outfit. Choose these if you want to stand out with a fierce and fashionable design. What people say. The nails are very sturdy and have a beautiful glossy finish. Application was surprisingly easy and they stayed on securely for over a week. The design is very intricate and looks professionally done. Number 4. Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Starter Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Introducing the Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Starter Kit. It offers full home lighting control that works with your favorite smart home assistants. Best of all, it doesn't require a neutral wire. Experience ultra-fast and reliable performance with our Smart Hub, which operates independently of your Wi-Fi. This ensures dependable smart lighting control, unlike typical Wi-Fi switches. Easily add a new switch location in under 15 minutes. Replace your existing switch with our dimmer and mount the Pico remote anywhere you need control. It blends seamlessly with your existing decor. Manage your smart lights from anywhere using the Lutron app. Set scenes, schedules, and use features like geofencing for complete home automation. This smart lighting system connects with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and more. It's one of the most compatible smart switches available on the market. Enjoy premium, flicker-free dimming for your LEDs. Our technology ensures smooth transitions to low light levels, and we continuously work to ensure compatibility with the latest LEDs. What we like? For ultimate convenience and reliability in smart lighting, this starter kit is a game-changer. It offers dependable control without relying on Wi-Fi, making it ideal for those who prioritize a stable smart home experience. If you want seamless integration with your existing smart assistants and easy setup, this is the system for you. What people say. The nails are very sturdy and have a beautiful glossy finish. Application was easy and they stayed on for over a week without any issues. The designs are unique and look just like the pictures online. Number 3. SINHOT Stiletto Extra Long Press-On Nails. Introducing our extra long stiletto press-on nails. Get ready to elevate your look with a stunning glossy finish and chic black gradient design. These full-cover nails feature a sophisticated almond shape, mimicking the look and feel of acrylics. They provide a seamless and natural appearance. With 24 pieces included, you're sure to find the perfect fit for every finger. Achieve a salon-quality manicure in minutes. The glossy black gradient design adds a touch of modern allure to your fingertips. It's the perfect accessory for any occasion. Application is simple with the included glue, ensuring a secure and long-lasting wear. Enjoy beautiful, durable nails without the salon visit. Transform your everyday style with these eye-catching press-on nails. They offer an instant upgrade to your personal aesthetic. What we like? If you love a glamorous and eye-catching nail style, these extra-long glossy nails are a fantastic choice. The black gradient design adds a sophisticated touch, perfect for making a statement. Consider these if you desire a chic and elegant look that elongates your fingers. What people say. These nails are incredibly durable and have lasted me over 2 weeks without any chips or lifting. The application process was surprisingly easy, and they look just like a professional manicure. I love the variety of designs available. I found the perfect set for my holiday party. Number 2. Halloween Red Black Ombre Coffin Fake Nails. Get ready for Halloween with these stunning Ombre Coffin nails. They feature a captivating red and black design, perfect for any festive occasion. Embrace your inner witch with these long, acrylic false nails. The unique ghost and witch designs add a touch of magic to your look. Achieve a professional salon look in minutes with these press-on nails. They are designed for easy application and long-lasting wear. These nails are the ultimate accessory for Halloween parties and events. The vibrant red and black colors are sure to turn heads. This set includes 24 pieces, ensuring you have the perfect fit for every finger. They are suitable for both women and girls looking to elevate their Halloween style. What we like. If you're aiming for a striking Halloween aesthetic with a touch of dark glamour, these red and black Ombre Coffin nails are ideal. The unique color combination and shape are perfect for themed parties or a bold seasonal look. You should choose these if you want a festive yet fashionable nail design. What people say. The nails are very sturdy and don't bend easily. The design is intricate and looks like a professional manicure. Application was straightforward and they stayed on for over a week with no issues. Number 1. Halloween Gothic Medium Almond Fake Nails. Embrace the spooky season with these stunning medium almond-shaped nails. The classic black French tip design adds a touch of Gothic elegance to any look. Achieve a salon-quality manicure in minutes. These full-cover stick-on nails are designed for easy application, perfect for a quick style update. Whether it's Halloween or just a night out, these nails are the perfect accessory. They add a unique flair to your style, making a bold statement. These fashionable false nails are designed for women and girls who love to express themselves through their style. They offer a comfortable and secure fit. You'll receive a generous set of 24 pieces, ensuring you have plenty of options to choose from. Get ready to impress with this complete set. What we like. For a chic and subtly Gothic vibe, these medium almond nails with a black French tip are a great option. They offer a sophisticated twist on a classic style, perfect for everyday wear or adding an edgy flair to your look. If you prefer a refined yet dark aesthetic, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The nails are very sturdy and don't bend easily. The design is intricate and looks just like the picture. Application was straightforward and they stayed on for over a week with proper prep. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.